Asuntoskeittiö Jarlin kulma.
It's also amazing. Here we go for right of the elevators.
Yeah.
Today on the 30th of March 2025, we have Kasarmikatu 13 staircase B. You can also watch the staircase A, which we filmed separately over there, and down the corridor. And they are connected here in this, which you're looking here, with 6 floors. It was built in 1966 by ValmetSchlieren. I have to check if it was changed in 1966 or 67. I'd like to know that too.
Yeah.
This number is VS 1065.
Yeah, it was 66.
Oh, okay. Det bästa är att paper orders att få ut några steg till oss. And you have to press it properly.
Yeah.
Ja, det är så en Hämeenlinna talosta myös. Kantaa Hämeen. Egentligen Tavastland, Finland. Even though too many also modernized in here and replaced, but we also were quite lucky today.
Yeah.
Quite a few we also got.
Yeah. Is maintained by Kony.
And I don't think we will have that many left in Hämeenlinna city center after this day.
Yeah.
And then a little bit in the suburbs too. Well, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's